Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change your Hertz on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just open your navigation bar and after that go in the quick settings. And as you open the quick settings, go for the option settings. And guys, after you view the settings, all you have to do is just go right here, the system, and click on it. And at the first, you can see the option display and where it shows you the refresh rate. And also to turn it on, all you have to do is just go here and turn it on, which gives you 120 Hz refresh rate. So guys, that's how you change the Hertz on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.